Hey, it's Edge here, and on today's video we're checking ADA. This is an update video for the ADA account, so if you haven't watched the previous one, please do check it out if you want to see the whole Elliott Wave count for this ADA chart. Today we're focusing more on this correction looking structure here, so let's jump right into it. So this is a count that I had presented last time on the previous video, saying that this top around August was the primary one, and then we were doing this primary 2 retracement. Now just by looking at the chart we can set some goals or targets for ADA. It's pretty well there. Currently we even haven't come down to the 382 on logarithmic charts, but with arithmetic we're already down here around 764 for this wave 2 primary. Now whether you want to use a specific one, I'm not sure, but these are exponential markets and logarithmic seems to be suiting us better most of the time, at least. Now last time when I made the video it was around February 16th or so, and we were looking at this correction part around here, this part. Now this doesn't look like right count at all. I think I wanted to force some kind of C wave here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It just doesn't look right to me. These are not like real relationships to me. This more looks like a 3-wave pattern here, more than this one being 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can even pull them aside here and compare them, which one is more likely. This is just horrible looking. I think I was just trying to force the 5 waves in here. So for that reason I think this is a really weird looking count and I really don't prefer it now. I had WXY here, and now it's somewhere completely different. So let's check out the WXY that I have put down here now. Basic same structure, underlying structure, 3-wave moves as we saw previously. I have now ABC here, possibly 1, 2, let's see, 1, 2, maybe 3, 4, 5. These are overlapping, but there's for sure a way to get this into being a 4th, and this being the 5th, down to the intermediary W, then up to X, and now again going more down. Now this looks like a wave structure, a probable wave structure, but is it a minor or minute degree? It looks just a bit, maybe not as deep as I'd like it to be, but we've already come down all the way or past the 1618. We are around this 854. Let's check it out on non-log. We haven't come even to the 0.618, and that is probably the reason why it looks a bit off. Yeah, but I think this is the structure that I really like more currently. Having us topped out here as the 5th wave and now doing this correction. This pitchfork is still holding up, and we can even have the same pitchfork running from here to here, and we wouldn't be violating too much stuff. I can show you that as well. Of course it doesn't want to snap where I want to. There we go. Let me just hide this for a bit. maybe some original modified shift, no, inside, no, it's just the original one. But as you see, we're already here, almost at the outer bound of median 2. 1.618 is this orange line here, and we haven't used any structure down here, which is a bit weird to me. I really like this more. This keeps us here on the 0.618 both sides, and even might be just a small up from here, but we are currently developing this big ass bearish divergence on a higher time frame and also in smaller time frame between these two peaks around here. Already come down a bit, but yeah, that is something that tells me that we still need to go down for more. Let's check this another one. I try to, let's see, this is not right, it would be topping us here. So this was another option saying that A was here, B was here, and C was here, so we would top here. I don't like this as much, but I guess it could be possible. More likely it would be WXY as well, and ABC would be starting from here rather than here, so we can get ABC and some kind of 5-way structure up here. Now this, I still can't get 5 waves well into it. This structure here at the beginning is just such a mess. I really can't get a good looking wave structure here. So this intermediary count or degree would be WXY most likely. But just some food for thought again, what this could be. But I guess the most interesting part is what is happening right now. We can go check that out. Now, that's a bit too close, so here we go. So here was the lowest low of this current price action around 24th February. Again, this looks 3 wavish to me. Maybe this could be 5 waves up here, which I've labeled it as such, and this would be a zigzag all the way up to the C. Now, what would this be here, this downwards movement? Let me clear some of this stuff here. Okay, that's fine. This can probably be some kind of zigzag as well, like so. Not really looking too zigzaggy. 2 impulse waves definitely possible here though. So what would be the next thing that we're looking for? Well, if this is some kind of correction that we can fit into the current counts, that would be best. And this WXY I feel like provides us the best option for it. At least if we want to get prices coming up, we could do something like A, B, and now, well, this C could be actually, because it's already looking like the divergence are happening, so this would be A, this would be B, and then we get some kind of C or the last of WXY up to here somewhere. We had some kind of targets here for discount. Let's place that at the right spot. So most likely again aiming for 1.51 as the one-to-one extension if this holds true, and then I would almost be looking again as this is really small correction. We had this small correction similar here that we did. After that we could be expecting some kind of dump and then up for the B wave. This to me would look more like A wave. Oops, that's not an A. A would be something like this. Into the B and then dump again for the last time for the Y. And this looks a bit more probable to me that we would be doing this. As for any bullishness, I really don't see the 5 waves here on this small time frame, unfortunately. I can see 3 waves going up, but I just can't find anything else. We can even take fibs here, pull them here, and as you can see, we're coming up to this 854 extension, which is it's not really likely for any impulse wave structure. Plus we're going down after this. It definitely looks like more like 3 wave structure again, which would indicate more downside at some point. Now there's definitely options and possibilities to long while we're going up, but just looking at this chop here and trying to figure out this count with Elliott Wave is probably not really easy to do or good use of your time. So I'm not doing anything in ADA at the moment. I'm just looking at how this plays out, to be honest. But your money, your choice. So I think that is all I wanted to show you today. And if you have another coin or stock you would like me to review and give Elliott Wave count for it, let me know down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.